Hey, take a look at this project we've got going on here. We've got a G Wagon, and a lot of car dealers today are doing this, and customers. We're two-toning, so we're doing satin black on the top, all across the top. That includes the roof, halving the doors. The other big thing is we're going to do the calipers on this, changing up the colors, and really the special thing here is we've got the interior completely removed. You check this out, there's no headliner. We've done quite a few of these. We'll put a Starlight system in it. In order to do that, you gotta tear everything apart. And let me show you the headliner. So in here takes shape on some of the headliners we're doing. This is for a different project, but there's a little diagram of how the shape's on this one. And if you come over here, here's the G Wagon headliner. One massive headliner. This thing's got some weight to it. It's all made out of fiberglass. So it's a serious, serious headliner. And over here, we're gonna add some slip-on exhaust here. It's gonna give this G Wagon a totally different note. Beautiful piece of hardware.